First thing first, on tax home sections, you want to click on to personal info button and then tap on continue button. After that, on my info section, you want to click on your own name section, which will open up this, and you want to click on revisit button. Right here, just click on continue button. Again, click on continue button. One more time, click on continue button. Until you find this page about checking other situations on this list called I want to change the language the IRS uses to send me written communications. You want to do a check mark on it, and you can choose any of your preferred language that will be used by IRS to communicate with you, either with notification, message, and so on. And after you are done with the choice, you want to click on continue button to basically save your choice. There you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.